Hey there, sunshine. So today I have my Summer Fabfitfun here to unbox with you guys, and I will admit I will share everything with you guys before we start unboxing this. I have already canceled my Fabfitfun. I recently have not been feeling like Fabfitfun is worth the money. I feel like it's been overhyped. I feel like there are so many influencers who just go and be like, oh, Fabfitfun, and they just accept the money that they are offered for sponsorships and then just like throw up Fabfitfun. I feel like Fabfitfun is overhyped. I feel like I have really high expectations because I constantly see it on social media and on TV and everything like that, and then I get my box and I'm disappointed. I don't feel like it's custom made for me, so I just canceled my box. I canceled my box, but I canceled it too late. I didn't cancel it in time to not get the summer box. So maybe this summer box will be the deciding factor between me renewing my Fabfitfun membership or keeping it canceled. So in each box you get like lifestyle, you get fashion, sometimes you get food, you get home decor, fitness, skincare, beauty, makeup, all of that fun stuff. Now, I have no idea what's in here. I'm excited. I just love, it's like presents, and even though I canceled it, I'm still excited to see what's in here. This box is kind of heavy, so let's open it up. Okay, we got the Fabfitfun magazine. We got some gift coupons, a $10 off gift card for your first Fabfitfun box, and this is a HelloFresh coupon. So okay, I'm excited. I don't know, I kind of just talked like all that, said all that mean stuff, and I'm still excited. Okay, so I see some beauty in here. Am I gonna regret canceling? Watch this video if you want to see me eat my words. See what this is. Okay, silicone wine glasses. Okay, it says, what a pair, set of 2. Ooh, it's in a fancy pink bag with gold cappy thingies. Ooh, okay, so okay. I'm kind of excited. Who am I? Am I turning into an adult that I'm excited about wine glasses? Who are we kidding? I'm excited about everything. Okay. Why was I expecting them to be clear when they literally said silicone? Duh. Like, okay, so I have 2 pink wine glasses. Are they wine glasses or are they squishies? We will never know. Okay, so different. I like that. That's really fun and interesting. I can't put it back in the bag. I'm inept. Okay, so that was different. That was fun. Okay, the next thing. Are you serious? Did I really? Okay. I told you I was going to eat my words. This is a mini blow dryer from Sutra Beauty. Here's the funny thing is I just received a mini hair dryer from my Boxycharm box. And I was like so hyped about that because it had a diffuser, and I've been meaning to get a diffuser for like years now. This one's marbled though. Okay, camera, focus. Yes. That is really exciting, in all honesty. I have 2 hair dryers now. I'm like the richest person ever. And then we have this cone-shaped hair dryer attachment. I have no idea what that's for. And then I have a diffuser. That's so exciting. Yes, that's fun. Okay. Okay, being like a little Boxycharm over here. I see what you at. You're gonna make me eat my words. That's cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. What is this? There's something really, really big at the bottom of this. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna regret canceling. Oh, okay. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Grace and Stella Stay All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. I love makeup so much. Like, I don't express that enough. Like, I love makeup, and getting makeup products in subscription boxes is so exciting. Okay, look at this pink bottle. It is pink. It is bubbly. I'm gonna spray my face. I'm gonna spray. Oh my god. It just smells like rose. Oh, look at my face. Ooh. Do I look cute? Okay. That is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it has like a really, 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 really light scent of rose, but y'all know me. Y'all know that I can't stand floral scents. I can't stand powdery. I literally cannot breathe around them, and this smells amazing. I feel so I feel spoiled right now. I feel really bad that I canceled them and then I talked about that mad trash, but I knew that was gonna happen. That's why I put it out there first, because I can't like end this video and be like, oh yeah, I was gonna cancel, and like, no, I'm not, because that would make me sound like fake. And so I was like, I'll just spill all the tea before. There's so much in this. What the heck? Okay, what is this? This is an ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask from Generation Clay. Why my voice is getting annoying. With plum. Okay, that is so exciting. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. It's really hard to stay quiet and do these late night unboxings because everybody else is sleeping, but I'm like over here getting hype. Oh, it doesn't really smell like much. Like it smells like a clay mask. Why was I expecting it to smell like plum? That's a good question. That is exciting. Thank you, Fabfitfun, for listening to me when I said please send me makeup products. Okay. Okay, that's the hair dryer. This is hair dryer stuff. Okay. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, what is this? This is a healing balm. Safe, smart, selective, and sustainable. Yes. Okay. And it's from DR, which is a brand I've never heard of. Whee! Okay, Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Is this for my lips? Apply liberally to dry or damaged lips, skin, and nails to aid in healing. I'm gonna put some on my lips. Ooh, ooh, okay. Ooh. That's thick. It has a, I have to wipe my hand off. That is thick and has a subtle sweet taste to it, which is pleasant. This is not the most pleasant angle, but okay. It's kind of like making my back of my throat burn, which to me isn't a sign of allergic reaction. I've had that whenever I try lip products that I'm allergic to, but it's not intense, so I'm gonna keep it on. Again, that's totally me. Nothing with the balm. Okay. See, we got some, oh, I love these things. I literally use them all the time. Like, I have my hair up constantly. Speaking of, let's redo the do. I have my hair up constantly, and I hate having my hair down. Like, it's just so uncomfortable for me. I hate having my hair in my face. I can't focus with it in my face. And ever since a subscription box introduced me to the Invisi Bubble hairbands, I have not gone back. I love these things so much. So we have clear, and then we have this fun yellow pumpkin color. I literally could not wait until the end of this video to see what this giant box was at the end of at the bottom of the Fabfitfun box. This is Xoxo Sienna felt message board. I don't know what this means, but I'm excited to find out. I see emojis. I see a bag. I see emojis. Look, there's all these letter and emojis in there. And then there's a, oh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, if only I was organized enough to like actually like do this with my life. Oh, bubble wrap break. Yeah, that's a good bubble wrap break. I feel satisfied now. Okay, so we have letters. We have emojis and stuff. That is really cute. I have not seen that in a subscription box ever. Fabfitfun. Yes, look at you guys go, being different, thinking outside the box. I honestly wanted a light up one for so long, but I'm kind of excited that I have this felt one. Like, that's really different. Okay, so I have like two more things left in here. I have all the snakes falling out. Okay, boom, let's talk about these two things. So I'm gonna go with this. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals Exfoliating Foot Mask. I am so embarrassed. I had the driest feet of all summer. I always see people who like, don't be wearing sandals if you have dry feet. And I'd be like, I want to wear sandals and be comfortable and not care about your opinion. But I am uncomfortable with how dry my feet are. And then I finally figured out that I needed to exfoliate my feet. So I'm so excited to have the problem under control and have this product. Yes, let's talk about non-embarrassing. Let's talk about embarrassing girl problems and not be embarrassed about it. But I love Wish. Oh, that is really strong. Ooh, what does that smell like? As soon as I pulled out the box, I was like, ooh, it kind of smells like lemon vanilla a little bit. I'm probably totally wrong. You guys know my nose is not the best. Pumpkin seed extract. orange fruit and lemon fruit. I am not that off. I said lemon vanilla. Yay, go me. Okay, so foot exfoliating mask is so exciting. That is so, like, I'm really hyped about that actually. And then the last thing that I received is this Ico Eye Duo liquid eyeliner, line and enhance. Okay, boom, boom. Let's see what's in the box. Alexa for eyes. The packaging is super cute. Okay, let's see what they mean by double liner, because I have a feeling that this might just be, ooh, wow. Look at that. Look at that packaging. Okay. I'm going to pull this out, and then underneath it says it's pitch black and waterproof, so it doesn't move even on the waterline. I love that it enhances my lashes each time I use it, from Alexa Chung. Okay, so let's see what we're talking about. We have liquid liner on this end, and then on this end there is no other end. So Fabfitfun redid their magazine, so it's going to take me a couple of seconds to figure out how this is all working. But here's pictures of some of the products that everybody received in their Fabfitfun this season. So ignore this page, just this page. A Suture Professional Mini Travel Blow Dryer with Soft Touch Marble has a retail value of $60. The Xoxo Sienna Black Felt Letterboard has a retail value of $35. There's some products in here that I'm like, oh, I wish I would have gotten that. But I guess that's why they encourage you to shop their website. But there are also products in here like the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream I've received in other subscription boxes. So I feel like looking through this, I'm like, I really feel like I got a really good box. Odom What a Pair set of 2 silicone wine glasses has a retail value of $25. The Ico London I Do Black Liquid Liner has a retail value of $22. The Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm has a retail value of $30. And then everything else I received in my box is what everybody else also received in their boxes. So the Invisible Bobby Orange, the Invisibobble Original Duo Pack has a retail value of $16. Everybody received that. The Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask has a retail value of $39. Everybody also received that. The Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray has a retail value of $25.95. I love that so much. Everybody got that in their box. And last but not least, we have the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask, which has a retail value of $32, which everybody also received in their box. Okay, so do you guys remember when I talked to the mad trash about Fabfitfun at the beginning of this unboxing, and now I'm like, oh my gosh, Fabfitfun is so great. I don't know. Honestly, you know what, this is how this is going to work. I'm going to wait and hear your guys' opinion. If you guys think I should sign back up for another season, I will gladly do so, because I'm really happy with this box. I feel like this is like the first time that Fabfitfun has like listened to me and listened to the things that I've asked for. I'm so happy with this box. But if you guys don't want to see it anymore on my channel and you'd be interested in seeing something else, let me know in the comment section down below. Like, really, honestly, 100%, if you guys request to see another unboxing from Fabfitfun and you guys are like, yes, please keep unboxing it, I will sign back up for it. It is all on you guys. So let me know, what was your favorite product from Fabfitfun this season? Do you think I should sign back up for Fabfitfun? I would love to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.